Here I have another unknown. I'm not sure who made this one for me. It's a 6-pin Schlage custom modded cylinder. So if you recognize this one, if it's one you made, let me know please in the comments. As you can see, there's a lot of rotation in this plug. So I'm going to use a Sparrows short hook and my Peterson pry bar, and kind of watch the plug if you can. Watch the tension bar. There's a lot of counter rotation sets and unsets in this one. There's the first one. Go to number 2. Nice and easy. Number 1. Still okay. Go back to number 3. Counter rotation and set, but as you heard something drop, I lost pin 1. Pin 1's now reset. Pin 3 is set. We'll go for 4. Feels like it's set. Keep going. 5. I lost 1 or 2. 6 coming back out. There's another one. Number 1 is unset again, so we're going to reset it. I just heard something else drop. Looking for some counter rotation. Nothing there. Not getting it in. Let's go to the front of the lock. Pin 2. I just dropped a few more. I heard him go. There she is. Okay. Let me turn my autofocus back on. Pow. Let's go ahead and gut her and see what's in it. I'm not sure if this is one with T-pins or what it's got. Let me find a good follower. A good follower. Pin tray. I've got 3 or 4 more of these to go. Like I said, I think I picked a bunch of them on Ustream or something, but never did get them up on YouTube. So, and since then I forgot who sent them all to me. Okay, start with the key pins. Got a standard, another standard, another standard, another standard, standard, all standard, no counter milling. Now for the top pins. I think this is one that XCO may have, or Mr. Zio may have pinned up. It's like the double, I guess, I don't know what to call them. Trampoline pins, I think I've heard them called, or the double graduated spool, or let's look at it. That's only a 5 pin. I don't know why I was counting 6 pins. Just a 5. So that's it. Schlage SC-Keyway. picked and gutted. Thanks for watching.